Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we will understand the different data types in Python. In Python, data types are used to classify one particular type of data. But why is this important? If you use a specific data type, you will determine what values you can assign to it and how you can deal with such data type. The first data type you will know is numbers. Python will consider any number written without decimals as an integer, and any number written with decimal as a float. So integers as 105 and 105.0 is a float data type. Like in math, integers in computer programming are whole numbers without decimal point and can be positive or negative. Like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. An integer can be also known as int in Python. So if we use the print function of Python 3 as the following and run this line of code, we will get -2 as the output of this line of code. If we want to assign this value to a variable, for example, called myInt, as the following: myInt equal -2, and print this variable using Python 3 print function. So print myInt, output of this line of code will be -2. We can also apply math using Python as the following: int underscore math equal 10 minus between two parentheses -2, and print out int underscore math as the following. The output that we get is 12. Okay, so integers can be used in many ways within Python programs. And as you continue the course, you will have a lot of opportunities to work with integers and apply what you will learn about this data type. The second data type in Python, which is also a number, is float data type. A float is real number, contain a decimal point, and we can do math with floats as we do with integers. If we want to print the float 2.0, print 2.0, and also for the float -2.0, the output of the print function is -2.0. We can also assign our float to a variable called my underscore float equal minus 10.2. Then you can print my float variable by using print function as the following: print my float, and you get -10.2. Now we will do math to float data type. Float underscore math equal minus 10.50 plus 20.6. So after we assign our variable float underscore math, we will print this variable as the following using print function to print out float underscore math, and we get 10.10. We can round it to two values after decimal points as the following: print between two parentheses, round between two parentheses, float underscore math will give us the int function, but comma and 2 we will get 10.1 or 10.10. At this point we reached the end of this lecture. Hope you enjoyed this lecture and get all of that. Thanks for being here. See you next video.